As Cyclone Fenjal has approached and the outer bands have started to fall on the coastal zone of Tamil Nadu, the northern coastal zone, Chennai has received quite an amount, a good amount of rainfall, and that's the reason. Behind us, you could see that is a war room where the chief minister, various ministers are present. He had a discussion with various district collectors and other officials, and here he is walking towards us over there. And from morning, Chennai has been receiving good amount of rainfall today and day after. He has over there, that's a chief minister who's saying that he's also going for inspections. And right now, he says that he has gone ahead and spoken to people over there, and he's actually there addressing the media. That's Chief Minister M.K. Stalin after going to the war room. He says that for the past 3 days, Tamil Nadu has been receiving rains. He said that all precautionary measures have been taken. He also says Chennai has been receiving good amount of rainfall. He says that officials and various ministers are monitoring the situation. Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Ranipet and Chengalpet has received good amount of rainfall. Chief Minister says that discussion has been occurring regarding rescue and providing relief on the ground. Says that all measures will be taken. Says that any districts that is receiving rainfall, all officials in that district, they have also, Chief Minister has also discussed with them. When asked if there are any other measures required, he says that the Revenue Minister is actually monitoring the situation. For now, he says situation is under control. Chief Minister says that the measures have been taken and everything has been placed under control. That is the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin after discussion with the Revenue Minister and such over here at the war room. He is exiting as we speak over there. He has been here for nearly 10 minutes and he has spoken to various officials. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, K.N. Nehru, the Minister, and everybody are present at this spot. And a discussion has occurred and he has said all necessary measures and requirements have been done. As the clouds of Cyclone Fenjal started to bring rainfall to Chennai and the coast around it, here you see what's happening. This is the particular war room, and here on this particular monitor, you would see the kind of the rain clouds and everything. Before that, let me show you the actual statistics of that particular Cyclone Fenjal that over there. So that is a kind of present situation, how it is currently, and then now you could see on this particular monitor, it actually shows. To be precise, what happened is that this is the Bay of Bengal, and this is Tamil Nadu, and this is Sri Lanka. What occurred is that this particular cyclone earlier started its origin from this spot. It actually went to this zone. Until this spot, it was actually a depression, a deep depression. It gave quite a good amount of rainfall, nearly 1 week over there. And from there, it actually bounced. As it moved to this spot, it actually turned into a depression. And once again, right now, it has attained more speed and moisture. And then now it has turned into a cyclone. And this is where Chennai is. That's Bangalore. And this is Chennai. And because of this band right now, this particular, we are getting good amount of rainfall. What you see over here is the eye of the storm. Earlier, it was said that this particular storm would be a weak one, but Cyclone Fenjal is actually proving to kind of saying that it is going to be a strong cyclone, and that's the reason over here it's happening. Now, what happens is that from here, you see this particular band. Here, from here, this is Mahabalipuram, and this could be Puducherry. So for nearly 100-kilometer band, there is a location where anywhere it can make a landfall. Here, you see various other kind of patterns, the districts, what districts that are actually receiving the rainfall. So like we said, the actual depression's journey began here. It went all the way to this particular area, giving rainfall to Sri Lanka. However, Sri Lanka has as an issue because it has like really like high raised mountains. It could not cross over. Then it make a kind of a bounce. Here it attains strength once again, and for now it is being predicted to move inward over here. This is the kind of districts that are receiving good amount of rainfall, starting from Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Ranipet, Veluppuram, Tiruvannamalai, Perambalur, Salem, and Vellore. 10 districts, and you could see here how they are showing the actual wind speed and such. Everything is being monitored from this particular zone. For example, and here you see the kind of like red alerts that has been given for the districts for the day of 30th over there. That's for 30, and this is for 1, and how the kind of like wind speed and everything changes. All this is being monitored from this particular war room. And look at the screen behind us. This is how data is being acquired, and it is being provided to officials, and to make sure that everybody gets their like information accurately. The Chief Minister was also present over here, and he also acquired the data, and afterwards he also spoke to the various district collectors and officials about rescue and relief. Divyan, Pramod Madhav, for India Today.